Hello?
Hello, Elizabeth.
Who's calling?
This is Tyson. I'm calling because you filled out some information on our website about selling this property on College Street.
I'm sorry, say it again.
I was calling because it looks like you filled out some information on my website about selling a property on College Street.
Oh, yes, in Fulton.
Yes.
Yes, I am actually. I'm trying, I got it through an inheritance and I'm just trying to, get it off my hands.
Okay. You said that you got this through inheritance?
Yes.
How long have you had it?
Well, it's been like, I don't know, probably since I was 17.
Okay. So how old are you now?
And then my uncle passed away like 2 years ago. I'm 34 now.
Okay. So is anybody living in the property?
No, no one lives on it or anything. It does need a little work before you would be able to move, like somebody would be able to move into it. The floors do need kind of be jacked up just a little bit in the kitchen, and I think just the back of the house.
What about the back of the house?
Like the floors need to be jacked up in the back part of the house. And
when you say jacked up, what do you mean?
Like you would need to go underneath the house that have the floor like.
Okay, so there's foundation work that's going to be required?
Yeah, some foundation work.
Okay. So to help me better understand this property, like on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being we should just tear the property down and start over, and a 10 being it was fully remodeled yesterday, what would you rate the property?
Probably around a 4.
Okay. And what do you think would need to happen to make it a 10?
So it definitely needs some new windows in it. Some of the windows throughout like the 10 years that my uncle lived there, I guess, had gotten busted out and he didn't replace them, so I had to board them up. And the front porch, the roof's just falling in, just like not falling in, it's starting to like come down, so it might need to be like pushed back up. And then the flooring.
Okay.
It's probably like, it may need new appliances, like everything is probably out of date.
Okay. How soon are you looking to have this property sold?
Really, as soon as I could.
Okay. So
I've been trying to sell it for about a year just by myself, like with the sign up. It's in a good part of the neighborhood. It's 2 houses behind the elementary school, so it's in a school zone.
Okay. So why do you think it hasn't sold yet?
I'm not really sure. I don't know if like I did have a couple people call me about it, but I do work 50 hours a week, so some of them like were from out of state, and we just couldn't find a good time to meet.
Okay.
And it's not like a well-traveled road if you don't already like live there.
Understood. So you said you want to get it sold as soon as possible?
Yes.
Okay. So if we were to make you an offer today that made sense, it's something that you'd be ready to get the ball rolling with today?
I'm sorry, say it again. My phone cut out.
If we made you an offer that made sense, is this something where you'd be ready to get the ball rolling on it today?
Yes.
Okay. So based on what you told me about the property, there's foundation work that needs to be done. It needs new windows. The roof on the front porch needs some work. The flooring needs to be redone. And the kitchens and stuff look like they need updating. What do you believe is a fair price for the property in its current condition?
I was looking to get just 9 out of it. because, you know, it is in a good neighborhood and has a good, like, I've known the neighbors there for a while. Like, they're a good vibe. They, you know, help look out for the house. It's right there by the school. And it can still be a really nice house. It just, I don't have the time nor the money to put into it.
Okay. So you said 9,000?
Yes.
Okay. So if we were to buy the property from you completely as is, so you didn't need to clean anything out, make any kind of repairs, there were no realtor commissions or anything like that taken out, and we paid all of the closing costs, what's the best price you could do? 7,000?
Yes.
Okay, so if I can take this information to my underwriter and they get the property approved for an offer around 7,000, it's something that you'd be ready to move forward with today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what I'm going to go ahead and do now, Elizabeth, is let me take this information over to them. They'll look at the property and based on their factors, they'll let me know what we can do on it. And I'll be able to give you a call back and I'll let you know. If it's something that works, we'd be able to send the offer over to you in writing to your email. Do you have access to your email right now?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, we'd send the offer over to you in writing. We go ahead, do that. From there, we do schedule somebody to go over and take photos of the property just to confirm that everything is as you told us about it. And then we go ahead and wait for the close date, which is typically 30 days from now. So we could have you paid for just after Christmas. Does that sound good?
Okay. Yeah, no, that would be fine.
All right. So let me go ahead and take this over to them and I'll give you a call back in probably about 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Elizabeth. Talk to you soon. Could be a deal, boys. So the lowest selling property I could find in that area is $34K for 1,000 square foot homes. So I think I'll offer 7 for it. Not exactly 7. You never, guys, lesson here. You never offer them exactly what they're asking. You always have to come down a little bit. You can't make them feel like they give it away too easy. But yeah, this could be a deal. It looks like, I mean, look, I can't find a house that sold for less than 34 grand. So I'll lock this up, shoot it out for 30. We'll see.
Hello?
Hello, Elizabeth.
Yes.
Hey, Elizabeth. This is Tyson. Is now a good time to go over our offer for your property?
Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. So I have some great news. Your property did get qualified for an offer. So let me tell you about what they've approved. They've approved for us to buy the property completely as is. They've approved for us to buy the property where we are covering all of the closing costs. And they've approved there to be absolutely no real estate commissions. With that being said, the approved offer to purchase your property was $6,490.
That's perfect.
Excellent. So I just need to get a couple things clarified real quick. On tax records, I see that the name of the owner on file is one Elizabeth Moore. Is that you?
Yes, that's my maiden name.
Okay, excellent. Okay. My transaction coordinator is going to send you over this offer to you in writing. It'll be in your email in just one moment. Do you have access to your email right now?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever used DocuSign before?
Yeah, I've used it before.
Perfect. This will be a breeze then. Okay, that should be showing up any minute now. It'll say please DocuSign purchase agreement. And it'll be from Blake Smith via DocuSign. This deal is in Kentucky. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,000 square foot house. ARV is like 100 to 120K. We're getting it for $6,490. I'll be looking, I'm gonna list this property on the market for 30K. Did you get that email yet, Elizabeth?
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm doing it right now.
Oh, no worries. All right, did you go ahead and press complete at the top right corner?
I hit
Oh,
finish at the
yep.
top right corner.
All right, excellent. We just got it back. So Elizabeth, the next step is my transaction coordinator. His name is Blake. He's going to give you a call tomorrow morning. And basically he's just going to set up a time for us to get somebody over there to get photos of the property. And then he's going to be the one that's going to keep you updated through every other step along with this transaction to make sure that you know everything that's going on. If you have any questions, he's going to be your main point of contact. But if for some reason you're unable to get a hold of him, this is my direct line. So feel free to reach out to me as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, absolutely. Hardest part of the whole thing is over. So we're going to get everything set up and you'll get your $6,490 right there the first week of January. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Elizabeth. Look out for that call tomorrow morning. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Well, you have a great rest of your Sunday. All right, ma'am?
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. Just like that, boys.